Again, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to start a YouTube channel and how ways to do that, because I know right now I'm making this video on the 17th, so tomorrow's the 18th, so that day is my anniversary about my channel, how I win the day that, the month that, and the day that I start my YouTube channel. But stay tuned and let's get started with the video, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification, and let's get to the video. What you want to call your channel, with your name or with like a username that you think is really good that it comparing to who you are. So for me, my channel name, it wasn't ItsMsTiffanyRe G. My name, when I started my channel, I used to just have my real name, like TiffanyRGaston. I didn't change it until I decided to change it because I thought about using my real name, but I didn't want to, so now I decided to change it. I might change it back probably in the future. Probably I might change it as my real name. Or have a nickname of something of your favorite character, cartoon character that you think that's, you can probably use that. And number 2, have a channel banner. I've been seeing a lot of that on YouTube channels. Some don't really be having a banner. They be having like something else, like a background of something else. Like, it's cool, but you have to put your name on the background of something like a flower or a background of a rose, or you know, outside door or something like that. Have your name on it of your channel. You can't just have it just blank of nothing of your name and about what's your channel content that is your channel is. So like what type of content you want to show. Some don't do it. Some just put it in the what's the section? I'm trying to think. It's like when you go to see who you are and on your channel, like how this is. Oh, excuse me. My first main video I did in September 2014. I forgot what day it was. I started my channel in 2013, like September 18th. I started my first video in September, I think the same month too, same day. September 18, 2014, it was the same day too. Like same content video, make the content kind of a better one. And you will get like reviews. It would take time. Sometimes you might not get it fast. I would let you know. You think that it's gonna get fast, but it might. I think that's the same thing, like be yourself. Like I was saying, I'm gonna say this, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, because you have to be yourself. Don't be somebody else that you're not. You don't have to be the same person. Other YouTubers, the big ones, the OGs, the ones that's like the ones that's the big YouTubers, it's gonna work because they already got somebody like that. So viewers don't want that, and subscribers probably don't want that. They want something different, a different person of who they are. Number 5, what to film or editing software in digital camera, video camera, iPad. I'm filming on my iPad that you see where I'm filming on my, like right here, and also on my phone. These, like the iPhone or iPad, you don't necessarily have to have an expensive device. This one, I got this from when I was in school, in college. I saved up with my, you know, you get money from school and stuff. That's what I kind of did. If you just don't have an iPad and you just got the iPhone. Okay, so my YouTube editing that I use for editing my videos, I use iMovie. You can use green screen now on iMovie now. They have that. It's a lot of videos for that. But if y'all want me to do a video for that about the green screen iMovie, let me know in the comments and I will do a video for I use QCut is really good too. I did use it, but I don't really use it that much now. I kind of been using iMovie more now. I got back in since they got like green screen. Vogue. That one y'all might see, the red one, the star V-O-N-T. That one I do use it sometimes. I just don't use it that much. KineMaster, I use that one. Also, now I'm starting using this other app. It's another one you use for vlogging, and y'all might see this as the VLLO. I really started off using a laptop with the camera, and also I use my mom's camera. Use this. This wasn't really good. It used that, and also my laptop when I edited. I had a laptop before, but now that laptop got a virus on it, so I don't use it no more. After that, when I did do it, I didn't have no tripod, so I was in college at the time, and I kind of got me a tripod that was at Best Buy. I forgot how much I paid for it. There y'all see that I got this one, and they do stretch out, and I haven't been using it in a while since my laptop got messed up. I haven't been using it. So this one, it comes like this. And you can make it kind of long, because I remember I used one this, it locks up. And when I had it, I started using this. I forgot how to use this for a while. Okay, I used this when I did start off using a laptop, and I miss it using it, and I'm not getting rid of it because I miss it. This up on the side, and so this too, because I got this doing in 2000 and about 15 too. I got it camera cord, and I kind of use this. You can't start off using a camera cord. I got the Canon HFR 500, so I got that one. So yeah, I got this one. That was like in 2000, and like I said, 2015. The only thing about it is that I don't have a button to press to, you know, if you don't want to go towards and press. That's the only thing. I have to go and press record right here. I have to like press record when I get started. Like this, that was all the time because I all the time be having this way when I do record. Or I just didn't like to look at it. When you record, you can't record in the front camera, the front on the iPad and also the iPhone. I don't like recording in the back part. You can't even see yourself on the iPad. They saying they don't do it in the front because it might not you looking at yourself. But I try not to look at myself so much. I haven't been no time to do it if I have something on me. Sometimes use my iPhone for vlogging sometimes. Now that I don't able to like use these like I used to, so I miss using I really miss it. But I'm saying you don't have to get expensive. For number 6, background music, intro and outro. Don't use copyright music. So, like you be hearing your favorite artist music, but they do have like on my notes I got here, they do have like remix kind, but sometimes you still can't get copyright with the remix. You could do if you want to make it like a slow kind of make the voice deep. But if you do use the remix, some remix you probably have to use it for 30 seconds. Those that I use, they will I kind of use these channels that I use. I put in my phone because I screenshot them. Things I use King Karaoke. That's like my most favorite one because I like using that so you don't have to hit her. You hit just the music background, not the person's voice of the art. YouTube audio library. They got a channel for SoundCloud be having some stuff on there too. Just find one that says remix, no copyright, and that's how you can find your musics that you don't want. For number 7, good lighting for your videos. So sun lighting is, if I don't, I might have to use my brother's desk lamp, but sometimes this is not a good lighting because it makes it too hot. See, sometimes I might use a red light, but it be kind of too like hot. It makes it kind of hot in my room. If the sun don't try to come out because of the, if it's cloudy, use a lamp, like use a desk lamp, something like this, or just order you a light on Amazon. For ring lights, you can make your own ring lights. A lot of videos for that because I'm going to make my own ring light, and I'll probably make a video for that because I've been trying to do it because I saw a lot of videos of that how to make a ring light, so you don't have to like order it online because them things cost money, and I'm doing it so fast. For number 8, thumbnails and video titles. One time I used PicMonkey. When I had a laptop, I was using PicMonkey for when I do my thumbnails. But you have to make your thumbnails really like awesome and popping thumbnails, and it has to be good lighting, not like in the dark, because you have to get good lights. Sometimes I forget to do my thumbnail, and I might have to get it for my videos, and I have to like use which one I use. And I sometimes like right now, I like pose or something after thumbnail, I was smiling or something like that, or just like I would do it, record it, and I do something like that, and I stop and record. So let me show you what I'm talking about. I do my thumbnails. Sometimes I use my video, I press record, and I just kind of like take a picture and just like posing. Use this other one. It's called, you'll probably see a picture of it. So right now you see. Okay, I'm gonna use this one that I took a screenshot in. I'll probably do that, and I'm gonna save. I really don't do it like that. I'm just showing to you. Pick like one of my favorite things that I use. Like I kind of be using with my different colors. Got background if I don't want to like do that, and I sometimes do like that because I think it helps it if it don't comes out that well. So if y'all see what I'm talking about, sometimes it might not, and I save it in my photos. So that's what I'm just showing to y'all about what I'm talking about. Also, pick art app, that one is really good to use for thumbnail. Photoshop, I use that too for blurring the background. And eraser is for number 9. Speak up in your videos. If you don't, a lot of people might not hear you that well. If you comedy videos, you might need to get like a mic, one of my things. For number 10, have a scheduled day to make your videos. So for that, so I did some research on Google about what days that you should make your video. Friday, like Thursday, Friday, or Saturday. I think some people make their videos on Sundays too. Best days to make it is Friday and Saturday, Wednesday, and the times. So you probably see on the screen, it shows that it says the post time between 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and between 12 p.m. and 3 p.m. on Thursday and Friday. Do a lot of research about it before you do make videos, because you need to kind of make days that you know that you can make your videos. The last one for number 11 is that when you first start, you make your video, who you are. Some start off with vlogging, they do like that, but really it's better to start off, introduce to yourself, like what's your channel about, who you are, where you from. You don't necessarily have to tell them where you're from. You could tell what state, but you could tell them who you are, what age you is, and like what channel, what type of channel is it. Say welcome to my channel. And really, when I start my channel, I didn't do that when I first made the video. I didn't do like that. I did it kind of after, so that's how I kind of did it when I make my videos. But I'm gonna show y'all how I already did how I set up my video, but I'm gonna show y'all how I kind of do it. Sometimes I might change the shifting of making my video, so I'm gonna show y'all how to do that. Okay, right here, set this up, the lighting. So this is how it sets up right here where I sit at. Sometimes I sit where my bed at, no, my shirt's right there, but sometimes I might sit right here, right on my bed on this side, and I might turn it like this. I was trying to show y'all how I kind of set up, where I set it up. And also, if I did use my tripod, you set it up right where by my window at, and also, and I would use this to put, use this to put this on here. Wait a minute. Oh. I forgot. But sometimes when I did use it, the things also be trying to come off when I had this tripod. In the future, I'm going to use it again until I get my laptop. So I hope y'all can enjoy this. I know this video is kind of long. I think I'm trying to make it kind of long so I can like kind of explain it, much understanding. But if y'all like it, just thumbs up. Comment below what kind of like apps like that y'all use to edit your video. More information about it, just let me know in the comments, or send me, DM me on Instagram, message me on Instagram. And my thing just click on my iPad. I'm just gonna get off and just, like I said, comment below and subscribe and click the bell notification, and follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and that will be in the description box. And I hope y'all enjoy it, because I know I'm gonna cut out parts of this video because I don't want to make it too long. And also, fall is gonna be here, so I have a lot of videos. I'm gonna do some fall videos, fall videos a lot on this channel, my vlogging channel. Subscribe to my vlogging channel that I have, and that will be in the description box, right? And I'm almost getting to 400 subscribers. Please subscribe, share this video, share it to family, friends. If y'all like it, thumbs up. But I gotta go. Peace out. Bye, y'all.